The first thing that went through my mind when I found out I got the scholarship was it could get me like really far in what I want to be in architecture. So this was like just a huge announcement to us.
Wakeso Peterson Jr.
One thing I love about being like a Toledo scholar is they're basically like a second family to me. They check in on me all the time. We have like our monthly meetings, so it's like a support system basically, and they help me like get through college.